Art Integration Projects, Uttarakhand and Puducherry. State Uttarakhand and Puducherry Art Integration Project Ideas for students of CBSE for pairing of states Uttarakhand and Puducherry. Art Integration Project Ideas for CBSE students, pairing of states Uttarakhand and Puducherry nature-inspired collage have students create a collage that highlights the natural beauty and landscapes of both Uttarakhand and Puducherry. Folk music composition Uttarakhand and Puducherry both have unique folk music assigns students to research and learn folk songs from both states. Traditional dance costumes instruct students to design and create traditional dance costumes inspired by the folk dances of Uttarakhand and Puducherry. Encourage them to explore different perspectives and composition. Sculpture with traditional motifs introduce students to the sculptural traditions of Uttarakhand and Puducherry. Encourage them to experiment with textures, forms, and colors while maintaining the essence of each tradition. Mural painting of natural landscapes. Uttarakhand is famous for its majestic mountains while Puducherry is known for its serene beaches. Have students collaborate on a large-scale mural painting that combines the beauty of these contrasting landscapes. Batik and Pashmina textile fusion introduce students to the art of batik from Uttarakhand and the intricate weaving of Pashmina textiles from Puducherry. Photography exhibition instructs students to capture the unique cultural aspects, architectural elements, and natural beauty of Uttarakhand and Puducherry through organize a photography exhibition to showcase their works and encourage discussions about the cultural pairing. Traditional mask and headgear design. Uttarakhand has a tradition of mask making for cultural performances, while Puducherry has unique headgear associated with local students can collaborate to create a dance performance that combines elements of Kathak and Bharatanatyam, incorporating the movements, footwork, hand gestures, and storytelling aspects of both dance styles. The artwork can feature traditional Gond art forms such as animals, trees, or tribal scenes, with the inclusion of motifs like French colonial buildings or decorative elements seen in Pondicherry. The mural can showcase the natural elements of both regions, such as snow-capped peaks, lush green valleys, sparkling rivers, and palm-fringed shores, capturing the contrasting landscapes in a harmonious composition. The fabric can display a fusion of motifs and designs, combining the boldness of batik with the delicate motifs and fine weaving techniques of pashmina. Traditional mask and headgear design. An image displaying the masks or headgear pieces created by students, reflecting the fusion of cultural elements from Uttarakhand and Puducherry. The masks can feature traditional motifs and colors from Uttarakhand, combined with decorative elements or symbolism associated with the headgear. The image can highlight the craftsmanship and creativity of the students' design. The dancers can be dressed in costumes that blend elements from both dance styles, showcasing the fusion of cultural traditions in their attire and choreography.